Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? You're welcome to our Sunday Tonic, our Sunday crypto educational series, where we teach you the wonderful opportunity available in the crypto market. My name is Lawyer Taj, and I am here to present you with this opportunity. And along with me are all my wonderful friends, family, team members, all here, so that everyone should know that this is an opportunity they should not miss. Dorothy, please do not veer my mind for what I'm doing. Right, so we will be going straight up to what we have. You will allow me to share my screen so that we begin immediately. If you have people that are supposed to be on the call, they should come in now. And please, if we have Kento business in the house, please just illustrate for me that you're here so that I make you a co-host too. I want to thank my wonderful co-host here, Dr. Hope, Abel Agusa. Let me see if I got other people here to make the work a lot easier. And so this opportunity you're to hear today is life-changing. And you would agree with me that all over the world we are having hardship, not only in Nigeria, but different parts of the world. Not just because of the fact that we have a society or a system that is not just corrupted, but a system that seems not to know what to do with our economics, but because also that inflation as a tool is affecting every fiat currency worldwide. Every fiat currency worldwide. Please mute yourself. Who's on? Okay, Hope is on. Okay. Right, Pastor IBKA, it's good to have you on the call. I've made you a co-host. Lovett Paul, it's good to see you on the call. I've also made you a co-host. So I believe that we have quite a number of people to make this a smooth running. So I'm going to go straight to sharing my screen, and then we'll take it up from there. Please, if you have Kento business in the house, please just let him alert me because he's going to be giving us some testimony today. Right, so please, if you can see my screen, just give me just type 1 if you can see my screen. If you can't see it, just give me 2. Co-host, help me add the people on the call. There are about 6 people in the waiting room. Yeah, so if you can see my screen, just give me 1. Nice, so I presume everyone's seeing my screen. Kindness, Ume, good to have you. Simeon, Evans, Chibugo, Martins. Right, this is awesome. So I'm seeing some new faces in the call today, and also those members who are very serious about their business. Thank you for being on here. Right, so the presentation I'm about to show you is all about Royalq cryptocurrency trading with artificial intelligence. It's an artificial intelligence bot. It's a blockchain miracle. Right. Before I delve much more into this, I need to put out a few words out there, like I was saying. Everybody needs another stream of income. Something is happening in the world today that is pretty clear that if you do not have your house in order, or if you don't have another stream of income, or if you are not earning in dollars or USDT in Nigeria and all over the world, you're going to keep on working and working. Yeah, so this is an opportunity for you to know what exactly has happened. Why is Bitcoin flying? Why are everyone excited? Why does the world ultimately seem like there's a frenzy even after President Trump won the elections? These we are going to show you today from all that we want to do. But as usual, I'm going to break it down from the start, from the beginning, so that everyone who don't even understand what cryptocurrency is or cryptocurrency trading can understand what this business is. So we cannot talk of cryptocurrency trading without talking about cryptocurrency itself. So what is cryptocurrency? From the word crypto and currency, what is cryptocurrency? Yeah, so what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is the current stage in the evolution of money. So money has evolved over time from what we know, it's the barter system, to gold, to metal coins, to paper money, plastic money, electronic money, and then cryptocurrency. The evolution of money is a course in itself. It's a course in itself that if we want to really take time, we could break it down to what were the advantages of each stage and the disadvantages of each stage and how the other stage began. But that's a topic for another day. If you join our members meeting, we will break it down for you. So cryptocurrency is the current stage in the evolution of money, as money has evolved over time, and then currently it is now crypto. One cannot lay a foundation on crypto without talking about the blockchain technology. The blockchain technology is the underlying technology that created what we know as cryptocurrency today. The blockchain technology was first used by someone called Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, no one knows if it's a male or female or boy or girl or a group of people. In fact, over the years, the speculation on who is the creator of Bitcoin has brought in so many theories, even movies. But today, none has been verified. Satoshi Nakamoto created the first cryptocurrency using the blockchain technology. He designed the first blockchain database. So, what is blockchain technology? Just like the internet that we're using right now, that you can see me from all over the world and can hear my voice, and the fact that you can do meetings and do a whole lot on the internet. The internet became famous because of its ability to transfer information instantly just by clicking enter. But the blockchain technology is said to be the Internet 2.0 because not only does it have the ability to transfer information instantly, it has the ability to transfer value. And what is value? Value is money. And so the illustration you can see on this page shows you a breakdown of how the blockchain technology works. A transaction is requested, transaction is broadcasted in network of nodes. So what is blockchain technology? Like we were taught when we were young, when a word seems very complex, break it down. Block, chain, block, chain. Transactions are done in blocks and chained together in a decentralized system that cannot be edited, cannot be erased, and cannot be destroyed. And so this blockchain technology is now being used in different spheres of human endeavor. But the first brainchild was cryptocurrency. Today, the blockchain is being used in music, in education, in insurance, in housing, and a whole lot of stuff. Even right now, the blockchain is being used in governance in those countries that run on Bitcoin, like El Salvador. Right. So when it comes to cryptocurrency, there are different investment strategies that are open for anyone. Um, Basically, there are three or four which I know: staking, mining, holding, and trading. Our opportunity covers two very powerful investment strategies that anyone can use, which is holding and trading. So this opportunity is not just a one-way opportunity, it's one that can diversely share you into a system where you can create different streams of income. Right, when we say hodl, it's not a mistake. It's hold. It's a crypto word for holding an asset until the value increases before you sell. Originally, a type of hold which means holding on to your cryptocurrency. And then trading basically means the juxtaposition of two different currencies in the market in a bid to predict which is higher and which is lower. So you have the opportunity in this business to not just hold cryptocurrency for bigger gains, but also to trade these currencies for bigger gains too. Right, before we go much more into it, we need to understand that trading is a part of life. A market is a part of life. Kamal, please stop messing with the screen. Trading is a part of life, and also a market is what we do. Every day there's a market, every day we are trading, we are either buying or selling. But there exists different traditional means of trading, which some of you may know, some of you may not. First of all, let's look at stock trading. With stock trading, it basically means the buying and selling of stocks of publicly traded companies on marketplaces like the New York Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange, and the Tokyo Stock Exchange. There is also commodity trading. With commodity trading, you have a system where you buy and sell different commodities. And these commodities could very well be agricultural products. There could be silver, there could be gold, there could be diamond, sugar, salt, groundnut oil, cassava. All these are being sold in marketplaces like the CME and NYMEX. And then you have bond trading. With bond trading, it basically means the buying and selling of debt securities issued by governments or corporations on marketplaces like the new US Treasury market. Other trading which are currently known or being done by different people are options trading, you have futures trading, and then you have the commonly known ones, forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. We'll be looking at some of this trading, but first of all, we need to understand what cryptocurrency trading and the different areas in cryptocurrency trading. Now, in cryptocurrency trading, there is futures trading, there is margin trading, and spot trading. And so, cryptocurrency exchanges facilitate spot trading, which is a system where anyone can actually buy a crypto asset at the current price and hold it for the value to go up. And so, spot trading in crypto refers to purchasing a token or a coin or a cryptocurrency at a low price and selling it at a high price. Note, you can lose money trading futures and margin trades, but not with spot trading. Why? Because with spot trading, all you need is patience and discipline. If you're patient and if you're disciplined, whatever values your trades are will eventually come up in profits. Wow, we have 167 people in the house today. This is awesome. A clap for you guys. Good to have you. Now, we're going to look at what is the differences between Forex and crypto trading. Now, before I go on, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I've been a Forex trader for the past 12 years. I quit trading Forex 2022 because, I never had a whole year that I made money. And for those of us who have traded the Forex market before, you can very well attest to that fact. Now, let's do a little something, yeah? If you made money trading Forex, just give me A. But if you did not make money, it was worse, you lost money, let me have a B. I'm going to start it myself. Not just one B, but many Bs. If you had made money in the Forex market, if you are enjoying making money in the Forex market, let me see your A. Valucci has lost money in the Forex. Vincent too have lost money. Chibugu has lost money. CY. Toby. It's only Majek that says he's making money. Abdullahi has lost money. Jezreel, Adedeji. Many others have lost money in the Forex market. And that's why it's hard. It's pretty hard. for you to see successful forex traders. But in the cryptocurrency market, there are a lot of successful people, and I'll tell you why. In the forex market, the market is 5 days a week, Mondays to Fridays. In the cryptocurrency market, the market is 24 hours, 7 days a week, non-stop. So the average forex trader trades from Monday to Friday, folds his laptop and say, "I'll see you on Monday," and goes home. Saturday, Sunday, he don't make no money because the forex market is not open. But we in the cryptocurrency market, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, repeat again, Monday, we make money all around. Today is Sunday. I want all of you who are cryptocurrency traders with Royalq. If you have made money today in the markets, let me see you. Give me a dollar sign. Just let them know that you have made money. Me, I've made money today. So I'm just going to give you my dollar sign. And it's not small money. You know, if you have made some good money, let the dollar sign be many. But if you have made just double digits or one digit, put a one. I can see my Don Chi here. Of course, these are money makers. Yeah. Sheun, ITEL. So those of us who are just new to the call, please just take a look at the chat box and see how many people have made money today. But the average forex trader, even in fact, the best forex trader hasn't made any money today. That's just one part of it. Trading of fiat currencies in pairs is what the forex market is all about. But in cryptocurrency, you trade in cryptocurrencies. The forex market trades on fiat currencies like euro, US dollar, but in crypto, you will trade BTC, USDT, BNB, ETH, and over 2,000 cryptocurrencies. I'll have you know, ladies and gentlemen, that cryptocurrency does not fall or does not stop at Bitcoin or Ethereum. There are over 3,000 valid and legitimate cryptocurrencies that are being used, that have use cases and make up what we know as the cryptocurrency market. In fiat currency, volatility is generally lower. But in crypto trading, it comes with high volatility, and we love it because it is that volatility that creates value for the average trader. The forex market is worth $7.5 trillion. The crypto market is estimated at 3.1 trillion and growing. And growing. Because we are in the bull run, ladies and gentlemen. We will be talking a little bit about that time to come. The market closes your trade in loss when your leverage capital cannot sustain the losses in forex market. But in crypto market, the losses are shown in crypto coins in your wallet and may increase in value over time. The forex market is accessible via brokers. So with a broker, you do a registration, you do your KYC, you send money to the broker gives you an account, that money is put on that account, that's what you trade in the market for. And if you God bless you where you make money, you will send a request to your broker to send your money to you. Brokers will tell you between 24 to 48 hours you get your money. But here in cryptocurrency, we are our own brokers. I say it again, we are our own brokers. We don't even have a broker in our trading. We are our own brokers. We have our monies with us in our cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance, Qcoin, Bybit, Coinbase, Kraken. 9 different exchanges are what you can use your Royalq app for. With one app, you can connect to 9 different exchanges and trade on all of them or hold some coins in some of them. Now, forex trading gives you access to trade the coins, not to own them. You can only speculate on Euro GBP or GBP JPY or Euro USD. But ladies and gentlemen, in cryptocurrency trading, it gives you ownership of these coins because you actually buy these coins. They become an asset that you can use at any point in time. They are assets that grow in value. And so with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you that The forex market cannot be compared to the crypto market. The crypto market is easier, safer, and more profitable to trade. Now, the two types of market, a bearish market and a bullish market. Now, when there's negative sentiments, when the prices or values of assets are going down, when everyone is trying to cash out, when you have those people who are trying to trade and they see that their values are going down, when generally stocks are down, we'll say the market is bearish. But when there is positive sentiments, where uptrends are expected, where high volume with high prices are seen, when demand is higher than supply, we'll say a market is bullish. I'm going to go a little bit about explaining this. In cryptocurrency, every 4 years, that is what is called Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving generally means that the output, the input used to create these coins is halved. So you got shorter supply and a high demand. And from economics, when there is a short supply and a higher demand, what happens to the value of the commodity? The value increases. And so the Bitcoin halving happened in April of this year, and generally, statistically, historically, with data, between 180 to 280 days, there would be an all-time high. Olajide Oladoyin, if you keep clicking on the screen, I'm going to throw you out. Olajide Oladoyin, this is your last warning. Right. Okay. You're going to go. Sorry about that. I need to. Someone's writing on the screen. So whether he knows he's doing it or not, Olajide Oladoyin. Very sorry. I'm going to put you in the waiting room. So you be of good behavior. Right. So in such a bullish market, we tend to see that Bitcoin beats its all-time high. And after Bitcoin does that, it is the time of the other alternate coins or altcoins. Who can tell me how much is one Bitcoin today? It's 829. Somebody won 3,000 Naira last week, same time. The most intelligent person in the house, tell me how much is one Bitcoin today? 96,000. Great. Great. Show, you say 100,000 in your book. Abdullahi, why? You say 26,400. Are you all right? Are you all right? Or you are in 2002? Or you are in 2022? Right. So, and it all happens at this time, that when Bitcoin beats its all-time high and becomes overbought, investors will now say, no, this thing has gone up too much. I'm going to look at other coins. These are the coins are the altcoins. These are the coins that we trade. These are the coins that we expect to grow in value. And that's where our wealth come in, because we're expecting at least $7 trillion to come into the cryptocurrency market. And we're seeing it because the bull run officially has begun. And that's why we're doing these calls for you to take advantage of what we have in the system, to take advantage of cryptocurrency, to take advantage of cryptocurrency trading with Royalq. And as we continue, you will understand why we are here. Now, a good question. Does the Royalq bot trade in the bull and bear market? The answer is yes. The Royalq bot is designed to trade successfully in both bull and bear markets. The bot employs various strategies and tools that allows it to adapt to different market conditions. So yes, we earn money even in the bull and the bear market. Wow. 2002 members in the house, 2002 participants. We just made a new record, ladies and gentlemen. 202 members in the house. Right. So we've looked at all that we need to talk. So what is the Royalq bot? What exactly is this Royalq bot? Follow me now. The Royalq bot is an automated cryptocurrency trading bot designed to help users trade digital assets more effectively by leveraging artificial intelligence and quantitative trading strategies. In simple parlance, in pidgin English, this Royalq bot, so it's an app that you can download and put on your phone. This app, you can get it for free, but you need to subscribe in order to have it trade for you. Subscription is for 1 whole year and it's very cheap because it's like $10 every month, which amounts to $120 a year. That's all you need. Now, this bot is now integrated to your exchange. So your money is not in the bot. You don't give your money to anyone. Your money stays in the exchange. This is the first time I have heard something like this. When I joined Royalq and totally understood that my money remains with me while I'm trading, that was the 100% that I knew that this business is awesome because I've never heard it before. It doesn't even sound correct. But when I saw this happen and understood that with the P2P system in cryptocurrency, we do not need a third party. We do not need a bank. We do not need a broker. Direct to the cryptocurrency market, we trade with the Royalq app, and all we earn directly goes into our exchange wallet. We do not request for withdrawal. When we make profits, these profits automatically go to our Binance every day, every second, every time you trade. What are the advantages of trading with the Royalq app? Automated trading, exchange integration, which brings about the highest form of security because your money remains with you while you're trading. You do not give your money to anyone. Strategy customization. There are predefined strategies on there, and you can actually customize your own strategy, which you can use in trading in the market. There's high risk management system, diversification, because you can buy more than one coins or trade more than one coins. And it's user friendly because not just only the mobile app, there's also the desktop. You can log in online. And can someone help me share? Well, let me just share directly the official website for Royalq. It's royalqs.com. Please remember that you can log into your account on Royalq even with a desktop, not just through the app. There's also real-time market analysis because the company has created different system. This is going to do me like say coin they go up. 211 people. Or are we seeing some percentage increase just the way we see in coins today? That's interesting. That's good to know. Good to see that a lot of people are turning up now. I'm happy to see that. Real-time analysis, market monitoring, and the use of technical indicators. So Royalq also have created systems that help us trade effectively because if we don't make money, they don't make money. If we don't make profits, they don't get a 20%. And that's why it's good that as you continue on Royalq and learn how it works, you see that the money-making effect in this system is awesome and simple. And like Richard will say, it's just like we're making money out of thin air. Some people lose money into thin air, but we are earning money from the thin air. So how does Royalq bot trade in a bearish market? That is what is called dollar cost averaging. With the DCA system, the bot buys assets at different price points, reducing the average cost of holdings and preparing for eventual market recovery. So DCA simply means that if you place a trade to go up, and instead of going up, that trade goes down. At different points of the trade going down, the bot will automatically buy the dip for you. So when that trade begins to reverse in profits, You will be earning on different points that it bought until the initial point. So where you're expecting to earn $10, you could get 50, 60, or even $70. And that's the use of the dollar cost averaging system of buying the dip by the Royalq bot. I want to show you some awesome features of the Royalq bot right here. Technical indicator. So the company made it possible after analysis of millions of data. They created a barometer for all traders, which you can see on the graphical page, wherein it tells you if it's a good time to buy a trade or not. Remember that in our system, we only buy, the bot sells, unlike the forex market where there is a buy and sell. Here is a system where by itself, it sells off, but all we need to do is buy. So if I see a signal like this, it's a strong buy. That will encourage me to buy that coin. But wherein I see a signal like this, that's a strong sell, I will not buy that coin. That's just an example of how the company has made trading quite easy. 232 people. Okay. All right. So what do I need to use my Royalq bot for trading? What do I have to have in order to take advantage of Royalq and have the bot trading for me? One, you must have a verified crypto exchange account, either with Binance or Qcoin or Bybit or HTX or Indodax or Kraken. Secondly, you must have a registered email address and password, which is to be used for your business. And then you need 120 USDT to rent the bot for 1 year, not USD. There's a big difference between US dollar and US dollar Theta. US dollar is a fiat currency owned by the United States of America. US dollar Theta is a cryptocurrency. It's a stable coin cryptocurrency that is $1 to 1 USDT. So a lot of crypto traders and crypto users use USDT a lot in order to hedge their funds. And so you also need fuel fees, which is 20% of whatever you earn from the company, and could range between $20 to $50 in your account. So if you ask me, what do I need? How much do I need to start my Royalq business? I will tell you that you need $150. Whatever is your trade capital remains with you. So besides the $150, you need to sort out the bot and the fuel fees. Of course, you need a trading capital to trade. It could be $50, it could be 100, it could be 500, it could be 5,000, each according to his own ability, right? Please note, all your funds or trading capital is in your exchange platform. You do not send money to the bot or anyone to trade for you. Say no to Ponzi. I cannot stop reiterating this fact. Say no to Ponzi, because a whole lot of people have lost money in Ponzi. And guess what? Every time that Bitcoin begins to increase, every time we see all-time high of Bitcoin, different opportunity comes up. They say we are mining, we are staking, we are trading, we are minting, we are. Don't fall for it. Anyone tells you to pay $50, even $100 to buy packages, please do not. We are way past that level now. A lot of us have lost in different businesses all over the world. But we're still here today. We never gave up because we know that right there is an opportunity that can actually change our lives. And the opportunity is what we see today with Royalq. Because with Royalq, your money remains with you each and every time, and you are trading and earning money with all your money going directly to your account. I mean, what beats this? I do not know. Please do not give your money to any company for any reason, because this is the time where different businesses will begin to spring up. What are the ways to earn with Royalq? There are 3 ways generally to earn in Royalq, but there are actually 8 ways to earn with Royalq. But I guess when you join us, when you're part of our meeting, our members meeting, we will expatiate more on that. But number one way is trading income. So you earn every time the bot sells your coin. So we actually buy the coin, put it on a take profits percentage, and when it hits the profit, the bot automatically sells your coin and then you get the profits. There's also affiliate income. And with affiliate income, it means that you earn every time you share the opportunity with your friends, your family, your relation, your loved ones, your colleague. And for me, this is one of the most interesting part because I, for one, have been a network marketing professional for the better part of 8 years. I have been building teams in different businesses, which unfortunately failed. And because they failed, some people lost money. A lot of people lost money, and that makes me feel bad. And so when I saw this opportunity, I said, no, this is retribution for you, Taj. This is a time where you say no. For everyone who has lost money for a business that I showed them, I will make sure that they come in and join Royalq, teach them how to trade, and let them earn those monies while their money still remains with them. With Royalq, you can never go wrong because this is not a business that you're thinking of how long it's going to stay. Insofar as there exists Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, insofar as there exists the cryptocurrency market, there will always exist the Royalq app, which can help anyone trade. So we have a lifelong business here, ladies and gentlemen. You also earn a certain percentage of profits that the bot generates for your team members. So every time your team member is earning in profits, you also earn a shinkily percentage of whatever they are earning. So you see why we are always helping our team members win. Because if my team member win, I am winning. The entire team is winning. And that's why we're here. To show you this opportunity and let you know that you should not sleep on it. We are in the crypto era. In fact, from January, you're going to understand when Trump comes up there. A lot of things are going to change, and we are already seeing it happen. And that's why you should position yourself today because it is life changing. Now, you can't do Royalq actively or passively. When we say passively, you can have your bot trading for you. And guess what? Even right there in the app, there are professional crypto traders that can trade for you while you are learning. Even while you're learning, you can be earning. There are professional crypto traders in the app there that can help you trade. But besides that, we have coaches, we have individuals in our team that are constantly helping and teaching people how to trade. Because the more you learn, the more you earn. So we have a system where, besides professional traders trading for you, which you can have your system hooked onto, you can also learn how to trade and do it yourself. And the company has provided a whole range of tools for you to do that. I'm a professional cryptocurrency trader and I am on the Royalq app. If you check out Crypto Extra, you're going to see me there. That is my own system. So when my team members come in, I can help them sync their account automatically, set it and forget it. What's more powerful than that, ladies and gentlemen, right now in the cryptocurrency market? When you are building a team in this system, wow, you cannot compare what will happen. The next page you're going to see will blow your mind. But believe you or not, it is what is happening today. Because if you're in a V2 rank in Royalq, besides your trading, you can earn between $10 to $50. If you're a V3 member, you can earn between $50 to $500 on a daily basis. If you're a V4 member, between $500 to $1,000 is available for you. But I tell you, it's not easy hitting these ranks, but it's possible if you put your mind to it and if you work with your team. Each one teach one, duplicate the system, help everyone grow. Who says there are no jobs in Nigeria? Who's looking for a job when you have Royalq? When with Royalq, you can change not only your life, but you can fuel your dreams and pay your bills. What are you saying? Who need Tulumbu? Who be too tipping? Who tipping help? Tipping that shop. Who need to lumbu? We are minting our money here every day, every second in this system. That's why I love it. If you're on the V5 rank, you can earn between $1,000 to $4,000 daily. If you're on the V6, which is the biggest rank ever, which we have our own individuals who have hit such ranks who are known worldwide, you can earn between $5,000 to $10,000. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are sleeping, if you're looking for a job, if you're thinking of what I'm going to do, how am I going to make money, how am I going to earn, how am I going to feed my family, the answer to all those questions is right before you, ladies and gentlemen. I am a V2 member, and I dare say that I make between $50 to $100 daily just because I'm building a team. Team of how many people? My team's just got about 40 something people, and then I'm earning that much. Imagine those who've got 400 people in their team, 800. I saw Coach Salisu's dashboard. He has 800 and something active traders. Do you know what that guy be earning? When he does Zoom meetings every day, some people would think like he doesn't have a job. But listen, he's smarter than a whole lot of us because he's building residual income. And I cannot shout it enough. Besides trading, there exists a trove, a treasure right in this business that we are seeing here and right now. So, how do I get started? Taj, I like this business. I like the fact that my money is with me. I like the fact that I just rent the bot. My money is not in the bot, it's with me. So even if anything's happening to the bot, I can see my money in my Binance. But how do I get started? What do I do? Ladies and gentlemen, just get back to whoever invited you to this call and say, you know what? I want to register. How do I do it? First of all, go to your App Store or your Play Store, download the Royalq app. When you download it, you ask him or her for a link provided, which will make you effectively register. Registration is free, but when you're ready to get started, you can rent the bot, or we say subscribe to the bot and get your fuel fees on there. As soon as you do that, you're good to go. All that remains is your capital be in your exchange, be it Binance or Qcoin or Bybit or Kraken. It all works that way. Remember, you have 100% possession of your money in this business with your profits going directly to your exchange wallet. So, what are the advantages of trading with Royalq? No data is required to trade because some of us, even though the network is bad, our trades are still going on. We can place trades and see how it works. You can trade at your convenience with the circle system of professional traders. You can set it and forget it. Your capital is 100% in your possession. 100% in your possession. So how can you lose something that is 100% in your possession? So where's the fear? Where's the distrust? Pick yourself up and try again in case you don't succeed. If you ask those who are wealthy today, they failed many times, but they never gave up. And today, their lives have changed. It's the same anywhere. You must stay consistent and persistent, and you eventually get what you want. And so, like we said, your profit goes straight to your Binance exchange, not the bot. This is a business that your kids can inherit. I'll say it again. This is a business that your kids can inherit. And also, no skill is required, no degree certificate needed. We set up a 15-year-old and he started trading on the spot. We set up a 55-year-old and he began trading by the spot. We have those in their late 60s, early 70s, trading the crypto market with Royalq and earning a killing. So why do you think you cannot do it? Even a 10-year-old can implement the strategies that we have. So what's stopping you? You have a system where there is no loss of funds. Yes, the bot never trades you in losses, never. And also note that patience is the key because even though your trades are in losses, we call them floating losses. It is not a final loss. Such floating losses always come back retrace in profits. And remember, because of the fact that you keep trading these coins, you will tend to know which of these coins are going to increase in value. And that brings the holding opportunity, where you have a chance to buy these coins and hold it for greater profits afterwards. So, like I said, the minimum startup is $150. Whatever amount you want to trade with, 150, whatever, 1,000 is left for you each according to his ability. You can do that. And so you can escape the matrix with just $240. And out of that 240, you have 100 personally of your money trading for you. Listen, the key to getting ahead is getting started. The good book said invest in 7 ventures. Yes, in 8, because you do not know what disaster may come upon the land. Ecclesiastes 11, verse 12. And also, in the morning sow your seed, and in the evening withhold not your hand. You know what that means? You sow your seed and work with your hands. Withhold not your hands. Do the necessary work. Learn and tell people. Open their minds. Know that even this cryptocurrency in itself, less than 10% of the entire world population still understand how it works. Less than 10% are educated enough to know that cryptocurrency exists, is real, is not a scam, and is the current stage in the evolution of money. And if less than 10% of the world population know what is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is about 100,000 today, how much do you think Bitcoin will be when 30, 40, 50%, or 60% of the entire world embraces and uses it? How much do you think your altcoins will be when everyone now understands how it works and buy into it? We are in the forefront of a revolution, people. The forefront of a financial revolution that is not going anywhere. Cryptocurrency is going to revolutionize the banks. Exchanges will take the place of banks. We are our own bank. Mr. Kento Biz will just come on the call. That is awesome. Right. At the right-hand side, you see what we call our top gainer strategy, which is the beginning of many other strategies that we traders evolved over time. Today, I have my own strategy, but its underlying beginning was from the top gainer strategy, which I started with. And so with the top gainer strategy, we use only 2 indicators, the Bollinger Band and the KDJ. But I'm just going to read it out for those who know what I mean. You already understand how it works, but this is just to let you know that it's a simple system that anybody can do and earn from. Remember, top gainer strategy goes like this. Once the price action hits the lower or middle Bollinger Band and the purple line of the KDJ indicator is above the 2 other lines and facing upwards, then you can create an order to buy. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who are new, we are a family. Many of us have not met each other before, but we are a family because we are trading, we're earning, we're in the same team, we're working for each other to grow. And that's why every Sunday, 8 p.m., we do these meetings, which we call Crypto Education Series for prospects. Hopefully next week we will be here again, and the other week, and the 3rd week, and the 4th week, continuously until we have at least 1 million people in Nigeria trading the crypto market. Because do you know what that will do for the GNP, the gross national product of the country? Do you know that by you trading cryptocurrency and earning in USDT, you are doing the best for our Naira to grow? These are points that you may not think about it, but eventually each come together to do it will make a whole lot of difference. Every Tuesday, we have our members training, a members training that is open to everyone who are members to come and learn and ask questions. By the way, if you have any question on the call, please feel free to use the chat box. If you have any questions on the call, please feel free to use the chat box. Right. So these are the things that we have brought before you here, ladies and gentlemen. I hope with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that cryptocurrency is real. You can make a lot of money from cryptocurrency, and with Royalq, you have the best business because your money remains with you while the trading goes on. At this time, I have seen that our testimonial is here. Mr. Kento Bees, if you can use the chart, Mr. Kento, let's have you today.
Sorry, Lawyer Touch.
Yeah.
Dr. Money would like to come first before him.
Awesome. Yeah, so let me give the grand opening, the grand introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, allow me to call our first V6, female V6 in the world, a woman who is an Urobo woman to the core, a loving mother, a loving wife, a good parent, a one who opens her heart to help at any time, and one who believes that knowledge is to be shared and not to be kept by themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only lady, this is Mama, Dr. Joy Agogo Money. Dr. Money, how are you doing? I'm going to make you a co-host right now. Please forgive me. I didn't know you were on the call. I should have done that a long time ago. Dr. Money, please feel free to unmute yourself. Please give a round of applause to our V6 in the house. Claro, I tell you.
Okay, so I'm going to beg Salisu and Kusmo.
They're not having a meeting today. They got no meeting today. It's closed. That's why I took my time.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's talk business. Thank you so much, Lawyer Taj, for wonderful. I didn't want you to stop. You know, you have a way of making this presentation so interesting. Like you they test to you, they gist one-on-one, and it's so relaxing. It's just different, refreshing from the normal like Zoom, like you go to class here and then come on Zoom and be attending lecture. But this is like discussion, like we are gisting and it's just flowing. So you even want me to activate? Can you give me a link? I want to activate again.
Quick. I'll give you the next link at the end of the call.
Guys, we have listened to the meeting today, the presentation, but there are some things I want to talk about. I know that this meeting is for newbies, prospects. So I will be giving you some secrets that are meant for members, right? Do we have new people that are not yet members on this call? If you are here, then you're very lucky because I intend to share with you some things, some secrets, some cheat code to wealth that we normally give to privileged ones that are people already in our circle, people that are already members in the community. But I believe that we all have a right to being comfortable and then wealthy because we are all in this economy. And I'm sure that the economy is biting hard on you because it is biting hard on me. Yes, I make good money from Royalq. I cannot lie. Thank God for that. But it is still biting hard on me. So if you are not earning up to 10 million naira a month, then you're not wealthy yet. So you have every reason to step up. You know, because I pray that the economy gets easier, but I don't want to be a pessimist. I don't want to be negative, but I just know that we need to act. So because of this, I want to let you know some of the things that you could do right now as a non-member and become successful. A lot of persons come to me, you know, on Facebook and all that. They say, we saw your video somewhere. There was a colleague of mine that said he saw the video in Tanzania, one of these countries, and that when she saw the video, he said, this is my mama, Dr. Money, and all that. She's my colleague. I laughed. They want to do the business, but they don't know how to do it. They feel that it is so complicated. They feel that they need to get a particular degree. they feel that that we are not telling the truth, as members, and they feel that people just want them to activate because they want to get the referral bonus, and so they will do anything to sell that idea to them. But I want to let you know on this call today that if you are in that category and you are not yet a member and you desire to be a member, you desire to be financially free, but you are constrained because you don't know how to go about it. Whoever added you to this call after this meeting, I want to work with you the next 2 weeks because I will be going on leave starting tomorrow, my place of work, so I'll be free for the next 2 weeks. So I don't know how the attach will handle that, if they will add them to the prospect group or a group be created, or just meet the attach or whoever added you to this group. So they'll add you, maybe add you to a prospect group also. They will create it, the attach, please handle that, so that I will work with you this next 2 weeks. And personally, we will take you through the routine of how you activate, not just activate. As I speak with you, I have about 8 persons that wants to activate. Some of them are on this call. They've been on me for the past.
Oh no. Can we still hear Dr. Money?
No, we can't.
She must talk in Jesus' name. Every evil spirit that's stopping her. Hello, Dr. Money, can you hear me? Oh my God. Oh no. Yeah, I think we can hear it's breaking
That I
basically.
was thinking, I said, who I will give this right now? Who do I give these people? And then I'm already visiting. Sorry, I had a call that cut me off. I'm sorry about that. So
Okay, we can hear you well now.
Okay, so that is my promise. I'm ready to give you 2 weeks between now, this week and next week. Between this week and next week, and so that we can teach you, build you, show you what to do, guide you, and expose some things to you. But even before we do that, I want to tell you some things that you don't know here on this call, why you should act. I don't know if you've heard of what we call the bureau. Right now, we are, we call it hot seat. I was saying on the group the other day that we are not begging anybody anymore because the time is past. In crypto, we have what we call the bear market and the bull market. Now, we are totally, fully, and 100%, not even 99, out of the bear market. We are now in the bull season. And this happens once in every 4 years. So if you're on this call, I want to let you know that you are just lucky, because those that started last year, 2 years ago, they've been waiting, or we have been waiting for this. But you joining now, you are coming in at the right time. Okay? So do you know that if you take action, it's just ordinary, once you get the bots, we will show you what to do. That is our job. I told you we'll do that in the next 2 weeks. And then we'll put you through, teach you what to do, how to quickly multiply your money. Do you know you can change between now and the next 8 months? You can convert, just let me use the because of the value of dollar, naira to dollar now. You can change. I want to use a figure that is easy for me to calculate. So I'm not going to use 200. I can't calculate. But you can change 1 million naira. You can make it 20 to 30 million in the next 6 months. I don't know the kind of business that can give you that kind of profit. Even if you do ritual, I don't know if you can, or unless you want to do drugs. I don't know any legitimate business that can give you that kind of money. but we can help you make that kind of money in the next 6 months. All we ask you to do is to believe, hold on to the person that added you to this call, let the person talk to their charge, add you to a group, activate your bot immediately. The next 2 weeks will be dedicated to you. I don't know how to stay idle, so I am not working officially for 2 weeks. So let us do this together. Let us convert whatever you have to like 20x, 30x. We can do it. It is doable, but it depends on you. We will not take action. We will not ask for you. And I bet you, I don't know if you get this kind of offer, this kind of opportunity anywhere else. And I don't think I'll be doing this after now. So if you are ready, the leaders will be on that group. We will take you through vigorous and rigorous training for 2 weeks and show you what to do. It is so easy. It is so easy. Like I was telling, I had a guest from Abuja, one of our members in my house today, and he was asking me how I do my trade. I told him that it depends on you. I'm always very busy these days. I don't know how to take 1 or 2% anymore. I don't have that time, And I showed him what I do. I collect, like I told him, there's a coin that I don't take less than 20, 30, 40, 50%. And within a week, I will get it. Must, M-U-S-T, must. These are things we expose to you in the next 2 weeks. I will show you my own way, everybody with their pattern, with how they do their trade. I'll show you my own way of doing it, how I can pick 30, 40, 50%, and how I can identify those coins and pick it, and it will deliver within a week. That is if you don't know what to do, if you don't have the time. So you can actually maximize. That is why I said everybody should be on this call. You can actually learn that and make good money. Do you know what it means to be making 20, 30% in a week? That is over 100% if you are compounding in a month. I can show you what to do and it will deliver. I am not boasting, but this is what I have learned over time and I have mastered the art and it will deliver. So what else do you want? What are you waiting for? What is your excuse? The only excuse you have right now not to activate your bot today is if village people is involved, because you cannot tell me there's no money. Yes, there may be no money, but this is a matter of life and death. If you are sick today, if something happened, the money will come out. So this is a matter of your life. You have the shortcut to success. Do something immediately. Nobody will come to your help. The government will not come to your help. If you have to go and borrow, I don't want to tell you what to do. You're an adult. I don't believe there's any other 18 in this call, but do something. We are committed to helping you. In the next 2 weeks, stand on your feet. And I give you my word, it will happen. Okay? So see you inside that group. Thank you. The group is not for members, so it's for prospects, members, not members. The only leaders will be there and prospects. Those are the people that we want on that training group for the next 2 weeks. For those that want to reactivate their bots or that are new, those are the people that I want to work with for the next 2 weeks. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Money, for that wonderful one. Now, nobody should put their number out there. If you do that, I'm going to not just ban you for this meeting, but for life. You're never going to come into this meeting. And I mean it. I saw someone put up his number. I just helped you delete it because I just don't want to remove you. But please, if you put your number there, because you did not invite everyone here, do not do that. If you do that, I'm going to take you out for life. You're never going to be in any of these meetings. We will be sharing the WhatsApp. Don Chi, please help me share the WhatsApp group for the education for new members. Don Chi, if you're here, please help me share it on here so they can click on it and then join. I'm going to make you, sorry, I didn't make you a co-host earlier. Right, so thank you very much, Dr. Money, for that wonderful session, for making us know that we are losing and the fact that The fastest way to make money today, to solve all your problems, is through crypto. It's through crypto. And it's an opportunity for anyone and everyone to take advantage of. Right. So at this time, I want to call on someone who has been so amazing in this business. He's a surveyor. He's a surveyor by occupation. And he lives in Oka in Anambra State. His when I asked him his marital status, do you know what he said? He said, I am single with Royalq. There's a Royalq level 4 V4 member in Royalq. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to welcome Mr. Osoveo Uzoabaka Echezona. We call him AKA Kento Bees. Kento Bees, my brother, are you on the call? Please unmute yourself. Let me make you a co-host. I see that network. Yes, can you hear me now?
Yeah, very much loud and clear.
Thank you
Good
very
evening,
much.
Lawyer Tad. Happy Sunday to you, my brother.
Yeah, thank you very much for availing us with your time. You know, say, now when I come this Royalq, I can't understand. So anybody that they call V4, now local government chairman position be that too. So they don't she. They ask, they be local government chairman, that they control everywhere. V4, don't play. So you will have to tell us how you began this business. What were you doing before? What was your financial situation? How is it looking now?
Yeah.
And what is your advice for those new members? You can share your screen if you want to,
Oh,
because Coach Mo shared his screen last week and everybody was wowed. You're a co-host, so you can help us.
oh.
Just show us small for the account. May they know everything there.
Okay, okay. That's a wonderful opportunity from you and to all the Royalq um, team members, the leaders, top leaders, the families involved, friends, and well-wishers. So I say very big good evening to all of you. I believe you can hear me.
Very well,
I'll
loud and
try to
clear.
share
We
my
can hear
screen
you
as I
very well.
proceed. Okay. So it has actually been a very wonderful and sweet journey with Royalq. Sometimes I end up telling people that Royalq is not just a business to me or for me, but Royalq is a blessing. And when I say it's a blessing, I think I'm the only one who understands in detail what I mean by being a blessing, considering how far we have gone, our trials of the past, because we've actually done a lot of things. We've actually engaged. Why I'm saying we is because I know many of us here. I know many of us might have, in one way or the other, engaged in one or two different things and get their hand burnt and feel like giving up. But until you keep putting out your best, looking for greater opportunities, looking for how to become better in life, that is when your success will actually meet you and you will succeed. So before Royalq, it has not really been easy, but in a short, with Royalq, it has actually been easy because I don't know how it will sound to so many of us who are just hearing this. Some of us are still thinking that Royalq is maybe a scam, maybe not real. Somebody messaged me one day and said people are saying that some of these results we do share on different WhatsApp platforms are being edited. I laughed over it because some people actually think maybe we used to have enough time to start editing those results that they are seeing on a daily basis. You know, that is how far people can go. But to make it short also, if you believe in this business, there is one thing I'm going to assure you, and that is called success. You are going to be successful. Before Royalq, it was not easy. Not like we have been sleeping, not like we have not been doing anything, but It has not been easy. But I said yes to Royalq on the 29th of June, 2021. After I had heard about the business from a friend on his status, WhatsApp status. I messaged him to ask him, please, what is this business all about? He told me the little he knew because it was just like maybe 2 days or 3 days old after he made registration without activation yet. So I actually tried to see how to understand more about this business. I joined a group of Royalq. I was following up on some persons, and that was how I messaged a man called Mr. OBM, Mr. Babatunde Moses, OBM, popular as OBM. That was how I messaged him. I asked him, please, sir, what is this business all about? Can you tell me more? And he did. Now, I added it to the knowledge I already had when it comes to trading. Speaking with you, someone who has actually engaged in forex trading for the past years. I have handled academies like forex academies. I have a forex academy then, Great FS. I have handled it in the past. I have tried in several ways, but money comes, money goes. That is the challenge I was passing through during forex time. But I asked Babatunde, I asked him, please, this business, I have seen is real, but I am being scared of my trials of the past. And he said, okay, that he will equally make sure I get started in the business. Now, after 2 days, he messaged me and said, a friend of him wants to sponsor anybody in this business that is interested to grow the business, interested to understand the business. And I told him, me, I'm interested though. And you know, the funny thing, it's not like I didn't have money to register. It's not like I didn't have money to get started. But I was just scared because of the past experience I have had, even of recent when I was hearing about Royalq. I had the money, but I was just scared of getting involved until this offer came. I took it up. I told him, okay, fine. If you can activate the account, I'm ready and willing to grow. And now we reached an agreement with that of our friend then. He's actually not in Nigeria, he's from Slovenia, or he's a Slovenian man. That was how I got started. With an agreement that in a week time, I will be able to pay him back the $100. Then activation was $100. That is my Royalq life story that I'm sharing. So after the activation, being that I'm this kind of person, I love sharing what I do. I love sharing my business. I love talking about what I do. I love affiliate marketing a lot. I instantly made a group, a WhatsApp group. I started adding some of my friends who have done businesses in the past, people who I know that have this business mindset. I didn't say my family, I said friends. And most of these friends are like online friends, not like people I roll with in the street. No, they are like online friends. Because if you really want to grow in a business, you see those your families, avoid them first. You see those your close friends, avoid them. They will get to join you later when they have seen that you are succeeding in that particular business. So after a week, it took me only 1 week to pay back the $100. It took me only 1 week to pay back that $100. Because within a week, I have already had 28 registrations and 5 activations. And each of the activations, I earn $30 or you earn $30 for every of the activation you make with a link on Royalq. I generate $150 in 2021, my first week in Royalq. I paid back the $100. And then the journey now started afresh. Now, this same business of $100 from 2021, as I am speaking to you today, have as well earned me nothing less than $20,000. Now, it doesn't end here, but there is no way I will point out everything I have achieved with Royalq. But if you can punch your calculator with the rate of dollar today, you know how much even $20 is, $20,000 is. But I said nothing less than $20,000, which means it is above $20,000. That is the journey I started with a borrowed $100 and a passion to succeed. Because the moment I understand the business, one thing people don't do is to understand their business. They want everything to be automatic. They want everything to be handled by someone. They want to call you tomorrow, call you next tomorrow, keep calling you until you start shouting, until you start getting tired. Now with Royalq, my brother and my sisters, you will achieve a lot just like I achieved. The profits I made in Royalq has made my life more better and more sweeter and more beautiful than it used to be. Royalq is the business that earned me money that I could use to buy my first ever car in life. That is like Royalq is more than a business. But all this can come to pass when you first believe in this same business and as well believe that you are going to make it. You see, all these people that are earning $200, $100, $500 on a daily basis, there is no special way they are doing it. Because people will keep asking you, what is the magic? What is the strategy? What is this one? First, you need to have is the passion. Do you have the passion? Because if you actually have the passion, you can end up even doing it more better and more faster than any other person. Passion drives a lot. But sometimes people don't have that passion. People don't want to learn. People really want to make money, but they don't want to learn. I have heard a lot of things from people who are actually showing concern now about Royalq. Somebody called me last week and said, Kento, I have been following you since 2021 about this business. I felt like to laugh this person, not in a mockery way, but at the same time, I was angry. Why will you tell me that you've been following me for over 3 good years, hearing the same Royalq every day, and you are comfortable? How? How? A lot of people have this opportunity, but they are misusing it. A lot of people have this same information that we are sharing with you today, but they are not taking it serious. A lot of people they have everything. They have everything, but their ability to take that which they have to do serious, focus on it. Definitely, there are going to be challenges along the line because it's not always sweeter. But the challenges are things you can overcome. The challenges are just little things you can equally encourage yourself. The challenges could be patient. The challenges could be making yourself available to learn. The challenges could be even what I passed today. I was supposed to step out today, but because of this meeting, I didn't. I have to stay back so I don't step out and be stranded or rushing home in order to meet up on the meeting. Those are the challenges. But some people are not willing and ready to face those challenges. When they face those little challenges, they back off. They enter the next one. After 3 months, they start crying. They come out again. There is no need jumping from one place to the other. You just need focus. And as well, have it at the back of your mind that there is no limitation to what you can achieve. It is only you and you yourself can limit yourself. So if you allow me to talk about Royalq today, I will talk and talk and talk because I love talking about Royalq. But I'm just here today to encourage somebody. to as well stand to tell you or share with you my journey. Currently, I'm a V4 leader in Royalq. It wasn't easy to get to that point. It wasn't easy. But one thing you must have to know is this. Whatever you are doing to grow in this business, keep doing it. Your growth will be more faster. Any particular time or the moment you meet people who are more hungry for success than you, at that time, your growth will equally be more faster. Before I hit even V4 in my team, one of my team members who happens to be from Pakistan made it to V4 before myself. The other person who happens to be from Morocco made it to be in V4 before myself. Now, I'm left with one V4 to hit V5, which is what I'm currently working on. But you know the funniest thing? You see these two people, I do not know them before I said yes to Royalq. These two people, I do not know them. I never even imagined they will say yes to Royalq. In fact, I didn't even have their number saved on my contact. But what happened? You just keep being persistent. You just keep pushing. You will push to an extent that you will push and meet people who are more hungry for success than you. That is the beauty of business. That is how life works.
True that.
But if you are thinking that everything is going to be very common to achieve, it is not equally that way. So my brothers and sisters, to avoid making the voice, my testimony long, because I believe I've said enough.
Yes, you do.
Please encourage you. Take this business more than serious. In the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years time to come, you will look back and you will keep saying, thank God that you said yes to Royalq. Because if I didn't say yes to Royalq today, I believe I won't be talking to you boldly as I am speaking today. You have a blessed night. Thank you, Lawyer Taj. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much, Kento Bees, our surveyor turned crypto trader turned billionaire. Listen, man, if you hear people's testimony, you'll be shocked. Me, I have my testimony as a V2, you know, but we need to hear from other people. We had Dr. Money speak just now, but I want to beg her to come back. Let her tell us, this woman has many testimonies. You can understand how someone began a business from V1, went to V2, V3, 4, 5, and 6 within a space of 3 months. Till today, nobody has done it. Nobody. When they say technique, this is a woman who's a network marketing professional that understands a model and puts it in anything. Zillow Star, you the trek, go and ask. You don't even know who Dr. Money is. I want her to just give us just one testimony, because you know what? I've begged her that every meeting, she must try to be there. She doesn't need anything, no. She's V6. So you see how V6 they work. But when you hear from her, you will understand what I mean. Dr. Money, please, if you are there, please fire down. We need to hear at least one more testimony from you before we go.
Somebody said it's a lie.
I'm telling you.
There's, since this November, there's no day that minus trade just from Royalq, because you are making money. There's no day I make less than 300,000. Leatard, check your P-chat. I sent you some screenshots just this November. Somebody said it's a lie. Well, so let me just say that's not even with my trade now, just because you are making money. So let me just share one testimony. I have a lot of testimony. This testimony I want to share is only one person on this group that knows about it. My friend, my best friend, Don Chi, she's the only one that knows about it. Before I started Royalq, I took a loan of 10 million. She's on this call, so if I'm lying, she will say it. At least there's somebody that knows about it. I took a loan of 10 million naira from a friend. Ibok knows about it too. From a friend of mine in Port Harcourt. She's called Mercy. Port Harcourt, Abuja. 10 million naira. And I took the money because I'm a crazy investor. I get on truth, you understand? I don't know how to do small things. So I took the money and plus other money I had other money, and then I put them in I'm sure you heard of what is called MBA, Barazia, those things that were paying us 15, 20% at the time. Yeah, I took the money and I put them in those ventures. Guess what happened? You know now. They all went. Like they went with the money. And the money grew to 13 million. Meanwhile, before then, 2016, I had a friend that was in trouble that I needed to support, to help. Because people help me too, you understand? And I went to a business venture in Port Harcourt. I collected loan to support her out of this country and to do some other businesses also. Another 10 million. That was in 2016. That money went in because I was desperate to just help a friend then. The money, the first one, 2016, I was paying. I had my private clinic. Of course, I was working with the government. I am, not was. And I had my private clinic. So I was I've always been hardworking. So I go on outreaches, all that, checking the eyes of people and all that, just working extra so I can pay this money. I was in networking, products network. I had services. Short. If you those that do KD, go and check their book. You see my name till tomorrow. I started doing it more than 5 years ago, but you see my name there, service center. I don't know how to do any business and stay at the bottom. I always go to the top. So anyone I did, I have business centers and all. Do you know that first 10 million? I kept paying. It got to a level that I was not able to pay because I fell sick in the year 2017. I had stroke. I was sick, so I couldn't go to work. And I recovered, but I couldn't do anything for that 1 year. This money grew to 20 million naira. I've never said this on any of our meetings, was in any business. Even the one I was doing before Cash I've never said this. I was dying in debt. It got to a level I have wonderful sister-in-laws. The best blessings God has given to me in this life, apart from my immediate family. I would call them, tell them to take care of my children. I don't see myself surviving it. This debt will kill me. This money will kill me. They know I was crying, weeping. I was dying. If you have heard money debt, you understand what I went through. And when Barak came, I said, okay, now money they think they pay debt. Don't forget that this 10 million has gone to 20 million. Okay, let me collect this money, this loan, and use to what is coming from it, and we used to be clearing, sharing it, to clearing this, clearing that. That was my calculation. Guess what? Barak went with that. Debt increase. When I pay this money, anytime I send the money to them, I send the picture to my friend. I have paid so debt. I have paid so money. That is how I use Royalq. The first money I made in Royalq, I used it to clear the debt of the 20 to Barazia, whatever. I used the first money I made Royalq before I did anything for myself. I used that money to clear that 33 million because the first 30 million, when they saw that I was sick, it was killing me, and I paid so much, they pegged it, it wasn't growing anymore. That is what the first thing Royalq did for me. I have never said this to even lawyer attached to anyone apart from my immediate family, Donshi and Ibok. They are the only people that know this. So I'm telling you that this thing or this business that you're looking at, it can change your life. So when I am so passionate about Royalq, people don't know what or why I am this passionate. Royalq saved my life. It saved my ass. By now, maybe they would have sold my mother's house, sold our house, and all that and everything. Royalq brought me from the pit of hell and settled my dreams. That's the only one I want to say. This is the first time since 2021 I'm saying this in any meeting. But there are some persons that come to me crying, they are owing this, they are doing this, they are frustrated. About several number of persons, they've come to me that they want to commit suicide because they are owing. I'm telling you, I'm not joking. And I tell them, don't do it. How much are you owing? Let me know what you can have. Let us use this bull to settle it. I have had more than 5 persons come to me with that cry. If you're on this call, you are thinking of committing suicide because you are owing somebody, because you feel that you have failed, you think you failed your parents, your children, your family. That is not true. I want you to know that I, Dr. Money, I was in that place. I can relate with you and what you are going through. All I need you to do is to activate your body if you want to. So, and if you are a member, you activated, hold on tightly to your upline. Hold on to your upline's upline or your mentor. And if you are in this particular category, then but you have to be in that category. Don't go and say what you are not. Then we can find a way to help you come out of it. I'm just trying to give hope to anybody that is hopeless here. You can also come out of the pit. I was down there, I was drowning. Royalq helped me. That is one of the stories of my life. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Money, for that wonderful session. Listen, there are so many testimonies that is happening with Royalq. And I saw somebody asked a very simple question like, are there testimonies in relation to trades? Everybody you see on this call, more than 90% of us that are Royalq members, we trade by ourselves. We don't need anybody. We don't even use Circle. We do it ourselves. There are people on this call that do 10% in a day, 5%, even 20 or 30%. If you don't believe, then it's left for you. But I'm telling you that when it comes to trading, result many now. Result is many. Result is so much. Let me see if I can send this thing quick because I want to show you, because of you, I have to go back to my team members, their results for even just today, so that you will see and know that we are giving testimony in relation to how these changed our life. Mr. Valushi, if you drop your number again, I'm going to remove you forever. You'll not be able to enter this meeting. Please stop doing that. Do not drop your number again. I'm going to drop results now so that you see live and direct, yeah? So that is Dr. Money's testimony, and you can see where she came from. Something she just quietly did all over time, paid a lot of debts from Royalq money. Some of us took loans. Some of us sold our cars and put it here, where people think that we are crazy. But time will tell. And another thing you need to understand with what she talked about the bull run, anybody can make money in the bull run. You could be lucky that the coin that you are holding can do 1,000% or 10,000%. We have testimonies of people who had just $100 in a coin, and that became $10,000. So I'm going to show you now. Please, co-host, if you see anybody drop their number, delete the number and block them so that they can never be on the call anymore. No one is allowed to take anybody's invitee. Right, I have some screenshots here. Let me open them so you can see for yourself. Today's date is what? 24th. But look at your screen. We have already started making money even tomorrow. Do you understand? We don't they make money tomorrow, and tomorrow never reach. Anyway, it just simply means because the company uses Singapore time. So when it comes to 5 o'clock Nigerian time, they are already in a new day. That's why you see that even 25th, this account have already earned 65. If we are talking of only today, this account has done 181. You can see other accounts. That's one. Oh. Let me share another one with you. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, just 3 straight lines. So you're gonna see. This is from growth. This is not what I want to share. Okay. Not this one either. People are cashing out in a system that is changing lives. Right. So you can check out this account. Double digits on a daily basis. Everybody has the kind of money they are trading with. So my brother that asked that are there no results to see in relation to trading? There are so many results that you can't even imagine. There are so many results. So I hope I've been able to answer that your question. Yeah. Right. So I just want to skip through, go through the chat and see if there's any direct question on here that I can attend to, because we have actually come to the end of the presentation and it's been awesome. You see, there are testimonies from different people and you can see that they're as real as can be. A lot of people's lives have changed with this business because they were fast, because they wanted something, they went out to get it, they focused. Myself, I just started this business in June, and I can tell you so much, the knowledge I've earned, the responsibility before me, the profits that I've made, and what my future will be. Okay. How many coins did you trade and how many capital did you invest in that trade, please? Osa said I started yesterday. I made $200 today. Okay. The most important thing is for you to take action. In days, I grew my money to 300. That's true. Well, until you start making this system work, until you start seeing this, you would know how powerful it is. Someone is sending me a message to teach my trading strategy. Well, if you go to Circle, you can just hook up your account straight to mine, and whatever I'm doing on my account is what we'll be doing in yours. There's nothing to teach on there anymore. So at this point in time, I think it's the best time to call it a day. It's been a night actually. We're almost an hour, 30 minutes on the call. And I say that I was very, very inspired by testimonies from our V4 and our V6 leader. Listen, it is awesome what you can do with Royalq. When you come in, like I said, there are 8 different business opportunities in Royalq, but we'll just talk about 3 or 4. And that's something that everybody needs to know. Besides the trading, besides the networking, there are many other things that even you can learn and it can change your life. So at this point, I want to say a big thank you to everyone. Namaste, namaste, for staying till this time. It's been an awesome time. Remember, on Tuesday, this Tuesday, we have our members training. That members training is not something you want to miss, because there are some questions I see here that should be asked in the members training. We have answers for everything you want to ask, because we have top men, top dogs, traders, network marketers on there ready to show you how to get started, ready to show you how to move on and do the best. But that person asking what's my name on Circle is Crypto Extra. I just posted it on there. So it is awesome once again having you guys here. We're going to do this again on Sunday. In fact, we do it every day on Sunday. Hopefully, we're going to do it again. So if you have someone that you want to explain this business to, don't try to explain. Simply tell them, come for the meeting on Sunday, 8 p.m. And here's how you're going to do it. Make sure you reach out to them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so that they'll be here on Sunday. And yes, it is even going to get more wonderful, because you're going to be hearing Testimonies from people who just started, people who took risk, people who are doing better, people whose lives are changing, people who have met people all over because of network marketing and they have become families. Families, ladies and gentlemen. Relationships is all that matters. Relationship is all that really matters. It's not money. I'll tell you why I do this. I do this because I've misled a lot of people in Ponzi schemes that I didn't know were Ponzi. I was staking my trust, my integrity, my honesty on these companies, and they messed up. Some of you here know me from other businesses that we've done. And so when I saw that this is real, this ain't going nowhere, and it's an opportunity that can change lives, I started Royalq running. I started it running because I knew what is powerful here. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's no work out there. But you see, network marketing or word of mouth communication, it will never stop. And that's how the richest are today. Donald Trump, you know, is a professional network marketer. We know that. Les Brown, motivational speaker, professional network marketer, and so many other people. You can change lives just by sharing this opportunity. It's not about the money. Do it intentionally that you want to help people. I'm on this call today. How many of my team members are here? They're not even up to 10. But I love what I do. I enjoy what I do. And I believe that one way or the other, I'm going to get benefits for it. You don't need to give me money to do it. Even the company will pay me for doing it. You know what is called mentor bonus. If I am teaching you and I am your mentor, there is some money, some shinkily money that the company gives me. I am getting rewarded for helping you, ladies and gentlemen. Please get back to who invited you. Do not take anybody's number on here. Do not listen to anybody. The person who invited you on this call, get back to them. And for those of you who have joined the group, I've just accepted you. It is important that you get back to who invited you about this so that you can get started quickly. The goal is 1 million crypto traders in Nigeria before the end of 2025. Can we do it? Do you think it's doable? If you think it's doable, type a yes. But if you think it cannot be done, just type a no. I'd like to see those who understand how powerful it is. If you think it's easy to do, if you think it's possible, type a yes. So imagine that you have just 100 people in your team and you all are working together and everybody's earning. Do you know that it's life-changing income? 100 people in your team active. I saw someone with 800 people in his team, and that guy is doing between $500 to $1,000 daily, with just 100 members in his team. Daily. I'm not saying in a week. When you get in, you're going to understand how powerful this is. And that's why, besides the trading part of the business, I believe that the word of mouth communication, what we're doing, is as important as trading itself. So, like we always do when we want to cut off the call, want to say our thank yous, our God bless yous, and listen, if my God bless you is louder than yours, I'll make money pass you this week. So, God bless you and have
God bless
a
God
you.
bless
wonderful
God
week.
bless
you.
Brother
God
God
bless
bless
you. Now, my
you.
own
God
loud
bless
pastor.
you.
God bless you
God
and
bless
have a
you.
God
wonderful
bless you,
weekend.
Lawyer Taj. Thank
Thank
you
God
you,
for
Dr.
bless
Money.
you.
God bless you all.
thank
Thank you, Lawyer
you.
Money. God bless you,
All right,
everyone.
God bless
goodbye. God bless.
everybody.
God bless.